For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm about to share my honest review on the Smeg Personal Blender 2026 model, a product that's been generating quite the buzz online lately. However, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of this blender, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with making smoothies or protein shakes at home? Perhaps your current blender is a bulky and noisy behemoth that takes up too much space in your kitchen. But here's what surprised me when I started using the Smeg Personal Blender: its sleek design, incredible power, and ease of use. Therefore, if you're anything like me, you'll want to know more about this product and whether it lives up to the hype. The Smeg Personal Blender is a high-end kitchen appliance that's designed to make blending a breeze. With its powerful 400-watt motor and stainless steel blades, this blender can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. But what really sets it apart from other blenders on the market? Let me tell you, its unique combination of form and function is truly something special. The Smeg Personal Blender boasts a stunning retro aesthetic that's sure to be the envy of all your friends and family members who are into home decor. Therefore, if you're looking for a blender that not only performs exceptionally well but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, then the Smeg Personal Blender is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into this product and see what makes it so special. So how does the Smeg Personal Blender perform in real-world use? I've been using mine for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with its ability to blend even the toughest ingredients into silky smooth textures. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or a batch of frozen margaritas, this blender delivers. One thing that's really worth noting is the Smeg Personal Blender's incredible ease of use. The intuitive controls and compact design make it easy to get started with blending, even if you've never used a high-powered blender before. However, what about its capacity? Does it live up to expectations, or does it fall short in terms of performance? Therefore, let's talk about the different settings on this blender and how they affect your blending experience. The Smeg Personal Blender has 4 different speed settings: low, medium, high, and pulse. Each setting is designed to tackle specific ingredients and tasks, from smoothies to hot soups. However, I've found that the real magic happens when you use the pulse function. It allows you to blend even the toughest ingredients into a fine consistency. But what about cleaning? Is this blender a breeze to clean, or does it require some elbow grease? Therefore, let's talk about the design of the Smeg Personal Blender and how its features make cleaning a snap. The Smeg Personal Blender has a unique removable blade system that makes cleaning a breeze. Simply twist out the blades, wash with soap and water, and you're good to go. This feature is especially useful when you're dealing with sticky ingredients like peanut butter or honey. However, there's one thing that I've noticed about this blender: its price tag. Is it worth the investment? Therefore, let's talk about the value proposition of the Smeg Personal Blender and whether it's a good fit for your budget. The Smeg Personal Blender is priced at around $250, which is definitely on the higher side for a personal blender. However, considering its performance, design, and ease of use, I think it's worth every penny. Therefore, if you're in the market for a high-end kitchen appliance that delivers exceptional results, then the Smeg Personal Blender is definitely worth checking out. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today.